Alright, you're welcome again. I'm very happy to see you. I don't know if you're happy to see me. Boniface Chima, stay here, Den of Knowledge. You're welcome to Primary 1 English Language class. We are going to talk about our topic, Introduction to Noun and Pronoun. Introduction to Noun and Pronoun. Introduction to noun and pronoun. Say it. Noun and pronoun. Of course, you must have heard about noun, but you may not know what a noun is. You will know it today. What is a noun? Simply say, a noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or thing. A noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or thing. A noun is a name of a person. A noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or thing. Alright. Now, there is a song some of you used to sing. Those times you used to play. You don't know that what you could sing is noun. Sometimes you say, who is going to tell me a name? A name of human being. You start. You say one, I say one. You say one, I say one. You say one, I say one. Ada, Obi, Chika, Musa, Kanjiki. All these things you are saying, they are name of a person. That is a noun. Yes. Sometimes you still say, who can tell me a name of an animal? Dog, cat, lion, elephant. Those names you call are names of animals. Then we'll say they are noun. You still sing, who can tell me a name of a place? Nigeria, Enugu, Taraba, Sokoto, London, market, school, mosque, church. Now those places you call, they are name of a place. So you refer them to as a noun. Also name of things. What you call book, pen, orange, stone, and the rest of them. They are nouns because they are name. Therefore, any naming word, anything that has a name, that name is a noun. That is what a noun is. So you can simply say a noun is a name of something. A name of something. If someone asks you, what is the name of this? You tell the person, the name of this is book. And book is a noun. What is your name? My name is Boniface. And Boniface is a noun. What is your own name? Your own name can be Bright. And Bright is a noun. If you are not a noun, that means you are nameless. And I hope you are not nameless. So you are a noun. Anything you see around and you can call that thing's name, that thing is a noun. Okay? So you can easily say 5 examples of noun using name of person, name of animal, name of a place, name of a thing. Some people don't even know that school is a place. School is a place. A place must not be name of a country like London, America, China, Germany. No. A place can also be your house. Your house is a noun. Your school is a noun. And any other place you used to go to is a noun. Now, let's look at pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Do you know, I must not call the name of something in a sentence. Yes, I can use another thing to call the name of that particular thing. Yes, and that thing I use to replace the noun there is what we call pronoun. Oh, Bright is a boy. Bright goes to school. Bright is brilliant. Bright is... Are you not tired of bright? Bright, bright, bright. We can use another thing to replace bright. Since you know that bright is a boy, why not use bright is a boy. He goes to school. He is brilliant. Now, instead of repeating bright, 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 even you, sometimes you will not be happy when your name is being repeated severally. If your friends repeat your name, you will not be happy. So, instead of repeating bright, bright, we'll say, Bright is a boy. He, I'm not calling bright again, I'm using he. He goes to school. He is brilliant. So that he I used to replace bright is what we call what? Pronoun. It is a word I use now to replace bright. So anything you use to replace a noun is what? Is a pronoun. There are different words we can use to replace noun. Remember, noun is a name of person, animal, place, or thing. Now, I will tell you different things you can use to replace, and those things are pronoun. Number one, I'll start with a person. A person. Remember, pronoun we use to replace a person. Pronoun we use to replace a person. You can use, if the person is a boy, you use he. A girl, you use she. Okay? So you can use he as a pronoun. You can use she as a pronoun. Yes, you use them to replace it. Okay? How about if you're talking about yourself? If you're talking about yourself, you can use I. You can use what? I. Yes, instead of saying Boniface is standing, I'll say, no, I don't want to use my name. Perhaps my name is so special. I don't know if your own name is special. I will use I am standing. I am standing. I have replaced my name with I being a pronoun. Okay, there are still other ones that we can use, like him. We can use her. We can use they. You use they when there are many. Perhaps there are more than one. You don't call their name one, two. Maybe say Ada, Simbi, Adamu, Kanjiki. No, you don't. You don't say. You don't name them like that. It might take your time. Why not say they are my friends? They are my friends. Instead of calling Ada, Simbi, Obi, Kanjiki, Chidima, Bright are my friends. You just simply say they are my friends. They is a pronoun. Now, animal. Anytime you want to replace an animal name, you use it. It. That's a simple pronoun we use to replace any animal. It. The same thing with a place or a thing. Anytime you want to replace a thing, if you don't want to call that, maybe you don't know the name of the place, you use it. Or you don't know the name of that thing you want to call. If you are looking for a pronoun to use and replace that particular thing you want to call, simply use it. And you have replaced it. I don't know the name of what I'm having. I'll just say, it can write. It can write. It can write. I've replaced the name with it. So, now I want you to do something for me. Can you make like 10 sentences with he, she, I, him, her, they, it? Thank you, and I'm going to see you next time, same place, Den of Knowledge.